this tracking tool, it belongs to Max. It's the way they used to do the tracking on the cars, the toe out or toe in on the car. But like I said in the previous video, with the 13-inch wheels and the low profiles, it's very difficult to work it on a laser system. So we just track this up now. We had to adjust the tie bars as well because they were a bit out of whack. So this is I think Max actually made this one himself, but he's made it off probably original one. So basically, just the arms just go through the bar. You put them onto the wheel itself, and what you do is you level it up. He showed us how to use it. I remember using something similar to this, but it had graduations on a bar. What you do is you get the centre of the hub. You can see where those pencil lines are there. So you get the centre of the hub, and then you try and use this mark from here, and then from here at an angle, and then you can work out the toe out. In this case, I had to put it to 0, so I had to 0 the front and back, and then put the 1.58 millimeters of toe out. And the reason the toe out is because obviously it's a front wheel drive car, and as you put power into the shaft, you're pulling in the wheels into the center. So, and that's how it works. So Max needs it back, so I'm going to put it into my car and give him back tonight. So okay, so this is the circuit we're going to take the first track day. The place we were at is a friend of ours who owns a trucking company, Lusser Trucking. So it's a trucking yard where he keeps his vehicles, and obviously at the weekends they're not driving. So this will be the place we're going to. It's called Pannonia Ring. It's around about just under 5 kilometers long, and you can see there there's quite a lot of corners on it, and S's and so on, which will be perfect for the Mini. You can see it there, hopefully. So you've got a long straight coming down here in front of a grandstand. We can rent garages there, have a whole day track day. You can see you come round here, up, there's some real big U-bends there. So for a Mini, this is going to be absolutely perfect. Sorry, the camera's a bit shaking, but so there you go. So that's where we're going to take it, and we'll probably do all our setting up at this place. If I bring the map in a bit more, you can see I'll bring it across. You can see all the buildings, and it's not particularly good, but there's quite a lot of facilities there. And I'll give you some details on it later. So what we need to do now is find out. They do touring car here and quite a few other things. It's an hour and 30 minutes from here, so this is the place where we'll do all the setting up and so on. You can see it there. Hour and 36 minutes, 102 kilometers. So that's what, 70 miles. So this is the circuit. It's got 18 turns on it. On turn 18, you can see along that straight, which is really great for the Minis. And this is a little bit of a brief history of the circuit. If you can't read, it's not particularly good on the camera. The Pannonia Ring is a thoroughly modern facility in Hungary, close to the Austrian border, which remains overlooked by the world of professional racing. It's a shame because with its wide runoff areas, it's amongst the safest circuits out there, and has more challenging layout than a more popular Hungarian ring, which is where the Formula One is. Opened in 1977, the circuit was designed with motorcycle racing in mind, though no races of international significance have ever been held. Unusually, the track is licensed to operate in both directions through the majority of the events, track days, lapping clockwise direction. The track is popular in testing including by the Ducati team, while many rider training amateur club racing events are held when not in use for other events. The track is open to the public to lap their own vehicles, perhaps slightly held back by its location, some 200 kilometers from Budapest. The circuit is however fairly easily reached from Bratislava, Slovakia, and Vienna, Austria. So this is perfect for us to test the car, and we can rent a garage there. We can have open track all day, so perfect. Looks okay. This is a motorcycle, but this is the circuit. It's beautifully made. Listen to this. bring this sound up a bit. I won't show you the whole thing because obviously I'll get a copyright strike, somebody else's video. But if you want to have a look at it, it's this guy here, Alfred Locklinger, on board Pannonia Ring, 26 October. If you want to have a look at it, the circuit looks great, never been there. But the guy, Joseph, that's in the track day car with me, the Mini, has been there with his bikes. He's a big bike fan. So yeah, that's the first place we're going to test it. I think we'll probably do quite a few track days there to get the car set up right. But perfect for a Mini. It's going to be great. So there we go.